George de Mestral went for a walk and came home covered in burrs. Instead of cursing them, he examined them under a microscope. He saw tiny hooks clinging to fabric loops. He spent 8 years developing Velcro. Creative insight begins where curiosity replaces frustration. Creativity is the ability to produce novel ideas or solutions that are both original and useful. It is not a single talent, but a constellation of cognitive processes, personality traits, and environmental conditions. Creativity can be nurtured, measured, and understood, and the psychology of innovation has practical applications across every domain. Means-end analysis is a general problem-solving strategy. Identify the difference between your current state and the goal state. Find an action that reduces that difference, apply it, and repeat. GPS, the General Problem Solver computer program, used this heuristic successfully. Complex problems become tractable when broken into smaller subgoals. Fixation occurs when a person cannot see beyond an initial unsuccessful approach. Mental set, the tendency to apply strategies that worked before, and functional fixedness, seeing objects only in their habitual roles, are two forms of fixation. Breaking fixation often requires stepping away from the problem entirely. Incubation is the process by which taking a break from a deliberate problem-solving effort can facilitate solution. Walking away allows the problem to be processed outside conscious awareness, forgetting incorrect approaches, and allowing spontaneous restructuring. Many major creative insights occur after a period of incubation followed by sudden illumination. Divergent thinking generates many possible solutions to an open-ended problem. How many uses can you find for a brick? Convergent thinking identifies the single correct solution to a well-defined problem. Creativity requires both. Divergent thinking to generate a rich set of possibilities. Convergent thinking to evaluate and select the best one. Teresa Amabel's componential model identifies 3 necessary components of creativity. Domain expertise. You must know the field deeply. Creative thinking skills. The cognitive and personality resources enabling flexible thinking. And intrinsic motivation. Genuine interest and enjoyment in the task. External rewards can crowd out intrinsic motivation and reduce creativity. Research on organizational creativity shows that creative output flourishes under specific conditions. Psychological safety. Team members feel free to take risks and voice unconventional ideas without fear of ridicule. Autonomy. Freedom to choose how to approach problems. And exposure to diverse perspectives that disrupt habitual thinking and suggest novel combinations.